To me, Arnold! Whoa! Oh, thanks, Pete.
What are you doing? You can't jump on me.
Never guessed that we'd been.
Come on, Arnold. It's raining. What were you doing? Jumping on me. You shouldn't jump on people when they're asleep.
We didn't. We rained on you. We were up in the cloud. We went up the rainbow.
Kipper, what are you talking about?
It's true. There were all these things up there. There was a rabbit, wasn't there, Arnold?
Oh, don't be silly.
It's true, honestly. I was on a train, and Arnold was in a boat, and a sort of...
Really? Really and truly?